The AIRSKIN products from Danube Robotics enables human-robot collaboration as a safety-rated device in mass production environments. The patented AIRSKIN technology is a soft yet sturdy, pressure-sensitive safety skin. It directly covers your automation equipment and safely stops the machine in case of a collision. AIRSKIN allows you to rethink safety in new and unconventional ways beyond limiting power and force or restricting access to a cell. Each pad is constructed with 4 components: an airtight hull, a pump, sensors, and electronics. The AIRSKIN system is connected by 6 wires. It is powered by 24 volts, has a ground wire, and 2 redundant safety channels. It directly connects to a safety PLC, and no software or additional configuration is needed. The soft, airtight sensor pads continuously monitor and reliably detect internal pressure changes due to deformations of the hull. Any collision immediately triggers a safe stop signal to the controller and initiates the robot's braking sequence. Remaining mechanical forces, due to the stopping distance of the robot, are absorbed by the soft padding. AIRSKIN for industrial robots and cobots is tailored to directly cover the entire robot arm. Each joint and link on the robot arm has a 3D printed bracket which mounts a custom molded AIRSKIN pad. The safety flange product is mounted between the robot and end of arm tooling, where it can detect tool and workpiece collisions in multiple directions. The breakaway movement in angular, axial, and torsional directions absorbs energy and reduces pressure and force during collisions. It allows for real, finger-safe, collaborative pick-and-place applications with almost any tool and end effector. Again, the autonomous pads are connected to the controller's safety IOs by the 6-wire cable. No additional programming is required either on the robot nor the PLC side. The AIRSKIN modules allow you to build your own AIRSKIN system. The modules are a cost-effective solution to add safety quickly and easily to custom end effectors, mobile robots, moving machinery, and other automation equipment. The easy-to-install AIRSKIN modules come in 4 different sizes, ranging from 100 by 200, 200 by 200, 300 by 200, and a 400 by 200 millimeter pad. The 3D printed mounting bracket allows you to mount the pads in any orientation on a flat surface. As you can see, Danube Robotics produces safety solutions for varying types of industrial automation, therefore making automation safe for humans and thus efficient for your business.